Welcome everyone. In today's video we'll be looking at logging in using the Web3GL template. So first things first, we open up Unity, we're in our project, we're ready to deploy to the web. We can create a wallet login by simply going to the Web3.unity folder, going to the scenes folder, and then opening up the web login. So what that looks like after we set that up, should look like this. It should be a little panel here with a login and a skip. We can go ahead and just close it down for now. We can go to File, go to Build Settings. Super important that you go to Player Settings and make sure that under the resolution and presentation, you choose the existing Web3GL template, which can be found right here. It's configured specifically for the SDK. It's also super important to remember that when you want to choose the network that you want to connect to, that you go to Web3Unity, you go to the scripts, the library, actually no, apologies, scratch that. We go to the WebGL template, so this is where template data is. We can go to Web3GL, and then under the Web3 index.javascript file, which looks something like this, we should be able to specify our network. So depending on the chain ID that you want to use from chainless.org, we can specify that right here. So in my case, I'm using Cronus testnet, so my chain would be 338. When we actually compile this and run it, it will look something like this. In which case, when we click login, well, I've already logged in, unfortunately. Let me just disconnect from all MetaMask. Let's go. This one, we can go disconnect, there we go. This is what it will look like when we build our Web3GL game to the browser. We click on login, MetaMask is going to open, ask us to choose an account, and then it's going to ask us, actually not even ask us to sign a message, but there we go. We're connected to this page now, and after this you can have another scene, which might be your game, a main menu, or whatnot, but we'll get to that in a later video. Thanks for watching, guys.